Come on. Suku. Lepas. Go, come on. Bob. Hey, where you are? Now, confess. Come. I talk to you, they look bomb. Confess. The time you run inside, they will not know. Hey. Go! You not like to run before. If not before, you not go run. Mamma mia. We need more. Sorry. Bendel. Better boy. Go. Well done. Good ball. What's it? go market, you want to buy something, if you price and you not too price, you buy something, you go. Because you don't want to buy. So you do what you buy to get your goal. Buying what you want to buy is that goal, that net. And you know you are looking for a job, so you don't hang on the ball. It's 1-2, tack, you enjoy yourself. Look how they play. Yesterday was bad, today we improve. It shows that when we start the league, before the league, we are coming up. So we need to work seriously to get there. Tack, you enjoy yourself. Look how they play. Yesterday was bad, today we improve. It shows that when we start the league, before the league, we are coming up. So we need to work seriously to get there. Triangular system. Always there.
I want me you let us know what they really sup for you now.
Yes, you can see say the season will soon start, and you know say Mr. Governor talking for beginning of this year. Say among all the programs we will get, Bendel Insurance is one of them. I know how Bendel Insurance there to edu people heart well. And so what we see here today now the preparation, whether they call pre-season training, 9 the day now. And our motive is say Bendel Insurance, they're not supposed to be where they day now. So our motive is say may they go premiership where they belong. So now the preparation to the premiership now be this. You know, say somebody work hard, now go fit achieve him. So now the preparation to reach there be this. Nobody say we go just sleep, say we want reach premiership. And the governor don't make provision, everything where they need to play the game from beginning to the end. So they are now to put their own effort. So I just can't train with them, make I see how the team they go. When the coach goes know that one. Because like we talk, the area where one honorable, one deputy governor, one governor or one president go write note, go give coach, you don't pass. Football no be where they write note, go give person. You go come here, koro play am. And even if you sabi play, and the play where they play, you know the coach style, you know go take you. So now the coach go determine what he want. If he say sabi jog ball, and the coach no want people jog ball, now people sabi hit the ball in like. So everything where they insurance this year, now the coach now in get them. Our own now to make provision, and governor don't bring everything where they need to do them. So whether the players play well or they no play well, now the coach go determine. We give them free hand to choose whoever in like. Our own give us results, and Edo people they wait for that result.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.